In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word. Whether you're crafting a professional report, a school project, or simply looking to enhance the aesthetic and organization of your document, knowing how to effectively utilize headers and footers is a valuable skill. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word document you're working on. Whether you're starting fresh or editing an existing file, make sure the document is ready for formatting. Once you have your document open, we can begin by adding a header. Move your mouse cursor to the very top edge of the page, right in the top margin area. Here, simply double click. This will open the header area and create a space for you to add your desired content. Now, if you prefer to add a footer instead, you'll do something quite similar. Shift your focus to the bottom edge of the page, down in the bottom margin area. Just like with the header, double-click in this spot to open up the footer area. It's that simple to access these sections of your document. After double-clicking in either the header or footer area, you'll notice that the Header and Footer Tools Design tab appears on the ribbon at the top of the window. This contextual tab provides you with a variety of tools and options to customize your header or footer to your liking. Additionally, a dotted line will appear outlining the editing area, making it clear where your edits will affect the document. Now it's time to add content. Type directly into the header or footer area. You might want to include information like the title of your document, a company name, the date, or even page numbers. Feel free to format your text using the options available on the ribbon, such as changing the font, size, or color. Remember that the text entered here will appear on each page of your document unless you specify otherwise. Once you're satisfied with your header or footer, you can easily exit the editing mode. To do this, look for the Close Header and Footer button on the ribbon and give it a click. Or, if you prefer a quick shortcut, simply double-click anywhere within the main body of the document. This action will take you back to the regular editing mode, and your headers and footers will now be a permanent part of your document, enhancing its professional look. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to insert headers and footers in Microsoft Word, adding a polished touch to your document. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to make your documents stand out effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.